Today we're doing a full interior overhaul on my 340i.
Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. As you can see, Justin is here for yet another video, and unlike the exterior videos we did, today is interior day. So if you take a look at the table here, we are going to be doing some amazing interior upgrades from an M Sport steering wheel. We're adding dry carbon matte finish paddle shifter extensions. We have an OEM 8.8-inch screen. We're adding a P3 Cars vent gauge. You can't leave without a Redline phone mount, and we're finishing with CarPlay and Android Auto. Now for our video, as you can see, Justin's going to be filming too. He's going to be doing the individual DIYs where we're going to be covering the high level overview. So for the individual DIYs, be sure to check out Justin's channel, which is going to be linked below. So right now, Justin's just getting some B-roll for his video, and then we're gonna get started. And the first thing we're going to be installing is the MMI Prime. This is going to give your BMW both CarPlay and Android Auto. So whether you have an Apple or an Android, it's gonna work great in your car. Now also, we are going to be upgrading to an 8.8-inch screen. Now, if you've watched our videos before, we typically do a Vivid screen, but with a Vivid screen, you can't do CarPlay as well. So we're actually upgrading him to an 8.8-inch BMW OEM screen. So something a little bit different for today. And for all of the products and tools we're going to be using in today's video, be sure to see the links in the description. If you have any questions about things like compatibility, because this isn't compatible in every car, be sure to let us know and we can help you with that.
Dope.
Well, that wraps up our time with Justin. So out of everything we did, what do you think was your favorite thing? If you had to pick one thing.
I mean, the tune is really cool, but honestly, I think that gauge is awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know it's like the smallest thing that we did, but it's so cool.
Yeah, that's super cool. We did the gauge, we did matte carbon paddle extensions, we did an M Sport wheel, an 8.8-inch screen, a Vivid screen, a phone mount.
We really got a lot done in 2 days.
We found spy equipment, And
spoiler.
Spoiler.
Shark fin.
Shark fin. We found an issue which took a couple hours to diagnose and figure out, and you probably still have another spy box in your car somewhere because it keeps blowing your fuse. But yeah, I feel like we got a ton done in
we did.
a very, very short amount of time. So
Definitely worth the drive.
yeah, super glad you're able to make it out. So if you haven't heard us say 100 times yet already, Justin's gonna have detailed videos on a lot of what we did, but be sure to check him out. Make sure to follow his channel. We're gonna have links to his channel below. So once again, my name is Bryan. That's Justin Buice. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. If you're interested in any of the parts, be sure to see the links down in the description. It will take you to kiesmotorsports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
In the next one.